Let's learn how to disinfect and clean mushrooms the way they do in Mexico. So if you wash the mushroom, it is porous and then the water will make it soggy and soft. So the Mexican ladies pull off the stem and literally peel the mushroom as you see being done here. It was explained to me by this lady that this meets two requirements, one hygiene and the other for your better health. Stay tuned and we'll explain right after this commercial. Wanting to move to Mexico or find out about the possibilities? If you have a pressing question about moving to Mexico, living in Mexico, retiring in Mexico, like in Huatulco, book your call session. We'll do our best to clear up your doubts and your questions. This way, I'm going to be able to get to know you better one-on-one and answer your questions. $25, 30 minutes. Click the link below. The hygiene, well, you're removing the dirty soil. And the better health, she is removing the chemicals and the fertilizers that were on the mushrooms. Thank you, Laura.